Hello, dear tutor Marta Lucia and classmates. My name is Edison Wilmer Cifuentes. This is ID Cali, the bridge of heaven. This is because of the people, the climate, the cultures. Cali is a little piece of heaven on earth. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. On first day, we could visit the zoo and then have lunch in the restaurant Mr. Wins. So we can take drink special of the restaurant. On second day, we could do a cultural tour on the tourist bus. On third day, if everyone wanted to go, we could to go salsa dancing. Activities to do. We could carry out recreational activities. In addition, we will go to dance, to eat, to drink. We can go to see the shots in Cali. Means of transportation. If everything goes fine, our means of transportation will be campers. We must have careful when we get off the camper, since they are built tall, place to stay. So we stay at the Hotel Ibis. It's a nice place. They offer all the service. If you like the suite, you can do. In addition to this it has massage room and spa. We will eat the typical food of Cali. Inside the menu, we will find chuleta bayuna, sancocho de gallina, mixed rice, tamales, luladas, salpicones, and brandies. Visiting in Cali, a little piece in the earth. Thank you for attention.